In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a job application form using Google Forms completely free of charge. This is a quick and straightforward process, and by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a fully functional form that you can use for your job application needs. So, let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Forms. Once you're there, you'll see various template options, but for today, we'll be starting from scratch. So go ahead and click on the blank form, which is represented by a simple plus sign in the top left corner. This will open a new form for you to begin editing. Now, let's give your form a title. Click where it says Untitled Form to enter a name. I recommend something straightforward and clear like Job Application Form. This serves as the heading for your form and will let applicants know exactly what they're filling out. Directly beneath the title, you'll find a section for a form description. Here you can add a brief message such as, "Please fill out all required fields to apply." This helps set expectations and ensures the applicants know what to do. Next, we'll start adding the different fields you'll need on the form. These fields gather the necessary information from applicants. Start with a full name field by selecting the short answer option, as names are typically short. This allows applicants to input their full name easily. After full name, add an email address field. Again, use the short answer option. It's crucial to collect emails to maintain communication with applicants during the hiring process. Following the email, add a phone number field, also as a short answer. This provides an alternative way to reach applicants if needed. Now let's add a position applying for section. Choose either a drop-down or multiple choice format, depending on whether you're hiring for one position or multiple ones. Next, set up a resume upload field using the file upload option. This allows applicants to directly upload their CVs, keeping everything organized in one place. Additionally, include a cover letter section. You'll want to use the paragraph option here, as this gives applicants enough space to provide a detailed response about their suitability for the job. Don't forget to ask for availability. This could be either a date field or a short answer, depending on your preference or specific requirements. Include a work experience field. This can be a paragraph for a comprehensive overview or multiple short answers if you prefer more structured responses. Likewise, add an education field as a short answer to capture the academic background of your applicants. Make sure to make each field required by toggling the required switch at the bottom of each question. This ensures applicants don't skip any critical sections. For those of you looking to add a personal touch, you can customize the theme by clicking on the paint palette icon. Feel free to play around with colors and fonts to match your brand or company aesthetic. Before you finish, click the eye icon to preview the form. This allows you to see it from an applicant's perspective and make any necessary adjustments. Once you're satisfied with everything, go ahead and click Publish. Your form is now live and ready to be filled out by potential candidates. Happy hiring!